Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to merge two Excel cells without losing data. So let's begin. I have 10 first name and last name right over here. And if I want to merge any of the first name and last name right over here, I would usually click the merge column from here. But if I click the merge column, the upper left value will remain and the second value will be discarded. So let's press OK, and as you can see, the second value has been removed. But we don't want to do that. So what we can do is we can create a second table that will consist of full name. As you can see, I have already combined two columns, and if you don't want to combine two columns, you can just have the table named full name, or you can have it on any name you want. Or if you don't want the columns to be merged, that's also okay. And then after selecting a cell, I will click on the equal sign, and then I will type down concatenate. I didn't have to type down the full thing. I already have concatenate option right over here. So I'm going to select concatenate, and then I will select the first name block right over here. And then I will type a comma and use double quotation, and make sure that you are entering a space inside the double quotation. And then I will enter another comma and then select the second block, which is the last name. And now we need to end parentheses. After that, I will click enter. And as you can see, the formula has worked its magic. Now I have combined the first name and last name. Now you can just pull the entire formula to the bottom and the formula will be copied forward. However, there's another formula that you can use to do this task. So I'm going to show you that formula too. Let's click on equal sign again and then select the first block. Click on and select double quotation. Make sure to enter a space inside the double quotation. Then enter another and then select the second block. And after that, hit enter, and as you can see, it worked again, but this time I selected the wrong blocks. So let's change the block to C11 and B11. So now I have selected the right block, and I'm going to hit enter, and then I'm going to copy the formula forward below again, and the entire table is now ready. After the entire table is ready, make sure to copy all of the names and then paste again, but this time paste special with values only, so that the formula is overwritten. Now after the formula is overwritten, if you delete all of these columns, then your table data will not be ruined. And if you don't copy the values, then it will remain as formula and these names will be removed. So as you can see, now we have an entire table that consists of first name and last name. So guys, that's how you can merge two Excel cells without losing data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.